Good morning buyers and welcome to 59 Swans Way in beautiful Capel Sound. I'd like to introduce this stunning architecturally designed home to you. It's brand new to the market, it's a new build home, it's luxury, it's high end, it's everything that you're looking for in either a weekend escape, a permanent home, a luxury residence for sure. No attention to detail has been spared and neither has any expense. It's a stunner, as you can see from the facade all of the way through, highlight windows just over my shoulder, an enormously proud owner has built this home. Stunning pool, built by the current owners who are actually exclusive pool builders. It's a beautiful resort style home and one I'm sure you're going to love. Welcome to the tour. I look forward to introducing the home to you personally when we catch up. Come and take a look. Come and have a look at this beautiful home at 59 Swans Way. Please, come on in. Well, what a stunner. An amazing home, isn't it? One that I'm sure you're going to really enjoy when you do a personal inspection. Video, photos don't do any home justice, and particularly 59 Swans Way in Capel Sound. Come and have a look, you won't be disappointed. My name's Terry Burgoyne, and I proudly represent the owners and Barry Plant Real Estate.